training. It's an important part of what 3M does for the collision repair industry. An investment in training is an investment in your team's future. 3M is committed to help teach and train shops to solve challenges in a rapidly changing industry. Through online resources, virtual learning, and hands-on training, we offer a wide range of options for professional development, so you can choose how to invest in your team's future. 3M training is led by real-world experts with decades of body shop experience and industry knowledge. Now, with the addition of the 3M Skills Development Center, our experts can deliver more in-person training to more people. With room for 100 learners in classrooms, 24 techs in our flexible shop, and 16 painters in an extra-large booth, we can deliver customized training that meets your team's needs. Education provides a return on investment you can't afford to miss. So the choice is yours. Our doors are open.